Thank you, Acting Deputy Speaker. It's pleased to rise this evening, even at this late hour, to speak on the Family Amendment, Family Violence and Cross-Examination of Parties Bill 2018. I'm sure all of us, Deputy Speaker, will have had horror stories from our constituents that have been through the mill of the family law courts. The best advice I think I can ever give any of my constituents that come to me about an issue on family law courts is to stay out of court if you can at all possible cost. I've heard horrendous stories of people having legal costs of $100, $200, $300, $400, $500,000, even $800,000 of legal bills going through the family law courts. If one thing that we must look at when we try and see how we can improve the access and issues of family law, obviously has to be the legal costs. There's not only the emotional hardship that people go through, but the financial hardship that being dragged through the family law courts does for many people is more than they can bear. So there's quite a bit of work that we need to do, and I'm very glad that this Attorney General is making some very important steps to improve the family law courts, to improve access to justice, to try and take away some of those legal costs, and to try and take away some of the strict and harsh rules of the family law court. And of course, one of those laws, Deputy Speaker, goes to the cross-examination, where each party is cross-examining each other. Now, certainly, there's actually importance that our legal system, that someone that is accused of offence has the right to full and fair a legal defence that includes being able to cross-examination. But there is a line where there is family violence that has been involved, as the person that is actually the perpetrator of that family violence gets to cross-examine their witness, and often cross-examine them not only for hours and hours on end. This is something, Deputy Speaker, all of us...
The member for Hughes will resume his seat.